Okay, guys, let's take a look at the market. Our air products, which I don't have a full position yet. So I'd buy from here, as I've said, if it comes to manipulate this level. Comcast gave us no. I would trade it like day if it gave us something to work off, but it didn't. Kind of corrected to almost point 0.5. A little bit like too far above point 0.5. Oh, and actually, never mind. JK. It actually broke now on hourly. I think it's a mistake, though. I think it's like there was no volume manipulating this. It didn't respect this level at all. So I think it should be uh, seen like this. Technically, there is a level, but practically, there is no volume on it whatsoever, and it didn't respect this level anyway. So I would love it to. Even point 0.5, but now it's kind of this situation. So it comes to point 0.5. I would play day. This guy, I don't like it's like far below point 0.5. This volume here, though, is like bigger than this. So if it comes and manipulates here, I think I'd buy. Ideally, if it manipulated this level, that would be the best. Practically, though, but then it formed the expanded level of this balance of this support level of this balance. Then we'll need to wait for a taste on monthly, but on daily we can play it. You see how close it is? So yeah, if it comes, I'll keep an eye on it. Sound good for an hourly trade. Our Home Depot goes higher. Oops, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm not sorry. It just grinds higher. The Bank of America. It still tries to respect point 0.5. British American Tobacco. Why is it even marked? Oh, it's marked for monthly. Oh, that's already our monthly. Yeah, not much to work off. You know what I mean? If it closes above, that will give us a reason to play to point 0.5. However, it's just so weak. There is no increased volume whatsoever. It's weird. It acts weird. Yeah, it grinds higher slowly, slowly. Slowly but surely. There was a level here, technically. Who? Was I drunk or something? What happened here? Yeah, technically it was like this, and it protected this level with the bigger volume. But realistically, down, then all the way up. I don't know. I don't like the stock. I don't want to look at it. Sorry, stock. I don't like it. I like it. Oh gosh, that's hourly. Okay, I was like, that was good. Okay, that makes sense. Hmm. Yeah, we're still below this volume, trying to break above. You know what I mean? Trying to break above this volume. Yeah, but the bounces of this volume goes down, then I don't see no good for this stock. Um, Anything? Coins go higher. Ooh, it's a good volume. It's right here, right now, deciding what it wants to do with its life. What do you want to do in your life? Yeah, this looks weak, but plug is completely bananas, just goes down. Get rid of the plug. Maybe I should tomorrow, just forget about it. Apple. Boom. Like strengths, weakness, strengths, weakness. Yeah, the story of the hyped ETF. It kind of grinds higher in the balance now. You could have played it short here, really, but we won. We don't play short. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. You never know if, like, this level was not even respected and there was no volume whatsoever, so doesn't matter. It broke it down anyways. Is it the balance? 1, 2, 1, 2. Then grow, grow. It is a balance. Yeah, Colgate is a good candidate for a short trade. With the test here, no volume whatsoever. But looking short. I should be not drawing this here, but I will. Because look how cute it looks. This little It's little. It's not in balance, but you know that was good. That was cute. Mm. Postcode. Mhm. Market is high. CVS can be put on the monthly watch. This is not volume of correction. It's bigger than this. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh, this is a Dig Sport goods. The one that Casey showed me the other day, and I was helping him. Oh, let's see how that dude is doing. Um, the one who was trying to play. Um, where was he? He actually is not doing bad. Yeah, man, if you watch us again, you're actually doing quite all right here. Quite all right. Still tries to grind lower. This volume down. It's not bad. On daily, it formed. It forms in 10 minutes. It will close. Yeah, man. It looks like you are having chance to break it even. Uh, two. Where was I? Was it here? Hmm. What is this? Hmm. Feel kind of slow today. It's kind of cloudy. It's cloudy in LA. Where you guys are at? Let me know. Uh, yeah. The other option would be to start looking at non-dividend stocks, which I don't want to do unless I absolutely have to. Because I want to be paid dividends if I get stuck in a stock. I think it's fair. I only play long. And once again, once I have a better statistics, I'll be shorting. Yeah, look at our small cap. Yep. Testing this up thrust now. Once it's closed short. It's ready to go down. Once its closes short, it will be ready to go down. Ooh, I'm dying. I'm dying. Maybe I should eat some sweets today. Maybe that's the day. Boom, boom, boom. This volume. That's called initiative takeover. This volume comes in and then exhaustion volume, apparently. Booming natural gas. There was no volume to begin with. And this ultra short. Is it a reverse? Is it a reverse? Yeah, and it doesn't. Yeah, what is it doing in my portfolio? Anyone knows? What is it even doing in my portfolio? It's like one of this weird inverse. Yeah, so it's like a shrew. This is exactly for those who wants to short from their like IRS accounts or like some funds that do not short. Did it? Oh, okay. Let me for a sec. This is short. PM, 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 PM. This is our Lockheed Martin. Let's see how it does. Yeah, it looks like that protected this level, but I mean, it broke this one, which possibly can be because of how the spring is. I'm sorry, so low. So it's like retesting the spring right now because of how low the spring was. So even though officially it broke the monthly level, uh, considering how low the initial spring was, this volume, you see, that could have been a trade. It's not too far away. This volume is there in our face, but after this volume comes in, I'm not too much concerned. Yeah, now it's already. Yeah. Now contextual direction is short, so if it comes here to test this level, let's see how. Where is this volume? Oh, you see, this volume is here. The entire volume is here, and it's like the biggest volume. Ooh, you guys, it's the biggest volume of this entire thing. The biggest volume. You want to try this guy again? Do you want to try to become the sponsors of war once again? But now we'll have to wait it to come here. So on monthly it broke. It broke the sorry, let me pick up this one. Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Um, yeah, I'm either hallucinating or it looks good. Is this volume here? We still have this in our face. Let's add Lockheed Martin. It's a balance now. It's a short balance, especially if it goes here, does something good on hourly. Just a short trade because monthly level is broken by a little. If in 3 days it goes up and closes above it, you can consider it's holding. It's because of how deep this like 2 bar spring was. Is this volume, and this volume is right here. It's right here. Actually, this was a good entry. Yeah, let's keep an eye on Lockheed Martin. It looks good to me. I don't like this volume in our face. Is it bigger? But it's not compared to this volume, no. Um, there's flash of volume. Yeah, that's weird. I think it'll just go now without us. And this volume, yes, please. Uh, yes, please. I'm in. I'm in. Yeah, let's keep on an eye on Lockheed Martin on daily. What was going on here, anyways? This is a historical volume, even though it did. Should I mean? Um, it did do break above and renew the level, so technically it's not bad. Can you see it as the balance? There was a volume here. It didn't respect this level at all, but you can also see it as this situation. Oh, I'm in this situation. This charging is off. Uh, it's not by the book. Technically, because it did break above. And so there was a T2 level here. However, market is a lively matter and it's very tempting. It's very tempting to see it like this. Do you see what I see? And it's the biggest volume, of course, of this entire short correction. One of the, let me correct myself, except for this volume, which is fully tested. It's just fully tested. Ugh. This volume. That's this volume. And we're far above this volume. Far above this volume. We can show it as on monthly. If it was manipulating this level, then anyways, like it was manipulating this level, this comes here, doesn't give us an entry, and we want to see it above this volume for sure. We want to see it above here, and then it comes here, and then this volume comes in. Initiative takeover. I don't even know if it makes sense in English, but I'll be coming up with my own weird terminology, if you don't mind. I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is when you're in the world. We'll be doing a financial musical. I hope you don't mind. Yeah, and here it starts a bloodbath. So it breaks down below here, and then it's up and down, down. So technically, it's like this. Yeah. So if it comes, if it comes here, no, guys, let's consider it. Let's consider it. I'm just curious. I've been curious if there was any entry points here. Let's just see out of curiosity. Even when you're on a diet, no one says you cannot read menu, right? Even if the opportunity. But yeah, we would want to like no, we wouldn't play it here. We would want to see it above. Anywho, if it comes down to point 0.5 correction here, potentially it's a buy. This also it's like it's in point 0.5, and you would expect, and it did bounce, right? So this volume now. Anyone wants to play against this volume? Because I don't. Let's just put a reminder so that next time we revisit this stock, we don't get too excited. It's kind of tested the area, and like test always weakens um, the volumed area, but there is bunch of this volume left. There is more than enough of this volume left there. That I put down in words. This guy is in point 0.5 of this last movement. I hope you'll agree that it's distinctive correction from here, yeah, and before. And then it gives this volume, and it breaks because maybe even by accident. Anyhow, and it breaks again. Let me see what happened here on daily. How wonderful life is. Yeah, guys, feel free as always to throw me your ticker, your stock or ETF or whatever you're trading, currency. I'll be happy to take a look at it. There is kind of volume here, you see? Not like super distinctively, but there is. What is it doing? Wait, why did I? Oh no, I was so wrong. That was. No, never mind, I was hallucinating. Because it held. It didn't break it. There is no one bar rule here. So this was up here. Then it just dropped violently. Then this volume comes in, like, just drops. And there's something to be said about what's going on here. I don't know, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Dun-dun-dun. Hey. Hey. Oh, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Mm. Volume here. Volume here. The biggest volume. Yeah, they definitely did some kind of levels here. Yeah, whatever it was, it's down there below now. Boom. But didn't give us a signal. And it's still a little bit like too far from point 0.5. And this volume comes in and there is no signs of reversal here yet. Let's keep an eye on, say, on monthly. Microsoft. An old timer. Hmm. Why did I put this as the biggest volume? Oh yeah, that makes sense. I know why. I know why. Oh, this volume. Yeah, this volume here, and we're above this volume. And this volume is the biggest volume. The Misha, you don't have to be so persistent. It's just this is a sign for Misha. And like once it's above here, and it's right. Yeah, but it kind of hangs here. Yeah, there's this volume here. This is this volume. Bounce it once. Oh, the reversal volume though, yeah. This kind of a bit alarming. Maybe for a quick trade though. Yeah, I see this one. It's okay for correction. Yeah, actually, if it comes to this volume, it's on monthly though. On monthly. Yeah, you sure you wanna play it? I'm not. Oh, I'm sorry. Technically, it's in a short impulse. This though. Right. This though. Don't forget. Don't you forget. And there is nothing that would. This doesn't look like an exhaustion volume. It looks like correction, like this volume compared to this one. You know, it's it's not our style though. It's not our style. Maybe a quick trade, because even if I'm wrong here, it will just. Yeah, maybe we can keep an eye for a quick trade. A quickie. Wait, open deals or the daily? Nvidia goes to the sky. Yeah, this guy went without us. Absolutely murdered it without us. Mhm. Oracle. Oracle. PR. Procter and Gamble. Not sure about Procter, but Gamble part. Tum, 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 tum. Starbucks. Yeah. That could have been a sign of reversal for us. Very similar situation to this other stock that we just noticed. Where did it reverse? Yeah. See, this volume comes in. So after it grinded above this level again, you see, very similar. Do you see how similar, like how identical it is? So first this volume comes in, right? The biggest volume of the long trend. Mm-hmm. Right here. Whew. That's not what I meant. Um, oops. So this volume comes in, and then after it breaks above this volume, right? It bounces like a ping pong several times. So after it's here, what's there, 0.5? Close enough. Close enough. Yeah, you see, after it bounced here, it's identical. Like the market shows us something. I mean, market is the worst teacher ever. It never teaches you anything. Um, However, you can watch and compare. Like, is this valley coming in? Uh-huh. It breaks down below, but here it's kind of like does this. No, it's going down. It's going down here and here again. Is it true? It is true. Goes down, and then this volume comes in, and boom, no test. No mercy, no test. Yeah, doesn't give us a test here. And that was a short move. Break above, correction, 1 bar, 2 bar correction actually. Mm. Yeah, no, that's weird, but very similar situation. Very similar situation. It's a sad, sad situation. And it's getting more and more absurd. Shell. Like, come on, Misha, is this volume? Like here? Huh. If it corrects anywhere towards point, like, forget it. Forget it. No playing in continuation of the trend. It's a beautiful place in continuation of the impulse. This impulse is strong. However, not with my personal statistic. So, ooh, ooh. I like this dinosaur sign. It's like if you've lived up to that era, you're a dinosaur. Thank you, Trader View. Close enough to 0.5. Close enough is 4.5. It's not the biggest volume of a trend. It's big. And this thing is in our face. It tested it twice, but it still have some juice. GUICE. Boom. You know, you would expect some bounce here. Leave it alone. See it? You guys see it? Dun, 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 dun. I just follow the trend. And C1 is formed by biggest cell volume of the trend as well. You see this? That's your perfect world situation. The support level is formed by the biggest volume of the short trend, and then the manipulation signal is formed by even bigger volume. Clear sign of reversal. Where it goes here, though. Here in the T1 level, it's in a good place ish. It's like here ish. Yeah, it's a little bit high. And this again, this is. But check out this volume. But check out this volume. Hmm. Interesting, right? Interesting. Dun, 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 dun. Well, technically, this was no volume, and then it goes lower. It's so sad. It's so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Always seem to me. Sorry seems to be the hardest word. Yeah, I think I'm hallucinating on the rainy day, man. Volume grows. The biggest volume of this trend, at least. Yeah, there was a short play. I wouldn't. Yeah. Mm. This volume. Yeah, it's not a correction. You see the volume supersedes. It's all the same everywhere. Comes in, makes the one of the biggest volumes of the correction. Well, significant volume. And then this volume comes in, by the way. And then this volume now rise higher. Is it a reversal? Not for Vodafone. That's kind of interesting. There is definitely something building up here. Like, most definitely. You don't just know what it is quite yet. Looks like an accumulation. Wells Fargo retests the upthrust of the resistance level on the short trend. Wait, what? No, you don't have, like, how's Walmart is uncharted? I can tell you already there was a balance starting from here. Just breaking up, up, up. How come Walmart is uncharted? This is ridiculous. This is ridicule. Ridicule. Beautiful balance. Just like buy the book. Buy the book. Balance. Then it makes you. Should we call it a bearish trap? Like fake attempt to break below. It kind of does. The reaction bars goes lower, then it grinds all the way up. So it's a rough extension of ice level of the of the support level of this ever expanding balance. It's still technically a balance expanding. It's one, two, one, two. Yeah, that's a balance starting from here. It's a long balance. This unidirectional ish now. Potentially could have watched for short entries here. But yeah, it's dull and boring. But if it comes here, I will consider trade. Weird stock or ETF, or I don't care. I feel lazy today. AF. I feel lazy. This guy just goes higher. Still the biggest volume. Yeah, our sector funds. Yeah. I know. This was tempting. This volume. This volume. That came in here. The biggest volume of the entire short trend. This volume comes in like trade me. Trade me. I'm exhausting. The short trend. I'm reversing. Trade me. Like here. And this happens, doesn't give us a test as always. Not always, but technically a aggressive trade. So, and it's like in the middle of nowhere. We would have to, or would have had. I don't know. Would have had. We would have had. We would have had to wait for a test, which never occurs. The rest looks just beautiful. It's the biggest volume. No, this is the big. Yeah, this is the biggest volume. So yeah, boom breaks above. Like technically, that's the test. So if you're like really into this, that's the biggest volume also here. So technically, oh, let's see. Oh, there's another situation. Yeah, there wasn't. Yeah, there was. So it goes here into. Yeah, maybe of hourly because like for monthly it kind of hangs in the middle of nowhere, and also and then it breaks this one right away. Yes, yeah. So this one here, either here or and there was no like, there was a splash of volume. What about hourly? 23 October 23. 23 October 23. Ah, this guy. Boom, boom, boom. Hello? Hello? Yeah, my phone number is in the federal do not call database. So if you can please remove me from the list, I'd really appreciate it. Hmm. It's all right. Yeah, thank you. Um, this shit comes in. Yeah, like on hourly. Ooh, look on the hourly. Ooh, look on the hourly. Now tell me. Tell me you don't see it. Yeah, guys, I think that's where you break your own rules, for better or worse. At least for a quick like hourly trade. Uh, I don't know if I would be able to hold it, but when this volume comes in on the hourly, the biggest volume of the entire trend, you just you just buy it. You just do. You just do. See this? Technically, even here, dun dun dun, boom. You have to wait for a test, and it's kind of in the air. It hangs up in the air. There is no daily level, but this volume, you just buy it here. But if not here, then goes up, up. This you wouldn't even count. Yeah, then the next entry is here. So again, technically you need a test, but practically with this setup, you just go. There was like a setup. It's not by the book, but market is a lively matter. It doesn't play by the book. It doesn't care about your rules. It just lives its own life. So like 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. If you're a total chicken like myself, or if you are American cowboy and feel risky, like why don't play it here at least? Yeah, zero point 0.5. Yeah, on monthly. Yeah, that would be like too risky, but I mean, this okay. How about how about if you're like half American cowboy and half chicken like myself? You take maybe a third, like a third at 1 to 2 risk to reward, and just run the rest. 2/3 you run here to 2.5. 2.5 and below, of course, this month's the level. So I would have given like cumulatively around 1 to 5 risk reward. It's worth it. It's worth it. With this volume distribution, that's why we call it volume spread analysis. We're not only analyzing the wave and the bar levels, it's volume to spread analysis. Um, that wouldn't be our classical by the book trade, but whereas here on the contrary, you see this volume, it's hanging out here, and we're right there right now. trying to decide whether we want to break it or yeah. Okay, that's it for the Tuesday prep. 3 deals we are in and pretty happy about it. Yeah, if it comes here, I'll buy more. Comcast didn't let us enter here, which we would have, but nothing. But if it comes here tomorrow, can be buy. I'm not concerned about this volume at all. It's like day closing volume, whereas this one is not. So yeah, um, I would play Comcast. Nice daily, hourly if it expands this level and comes here and kisses the 0.5. Play it hourly, but I wouldn't add to the position. Position is done, so it would be like a quick trade, day or swing, not an investment trade we're having right now. HSBC, if it comes here, I have a full position, but like I would just play it hourly. I'd play swing or daily. Play it daily. I'd play it daily at this volume level and T2 level. On our watch list is AstraZeneca. If it comes back here, manipulates, and then I'd buy investment trade, and I'd hold it to 0.5 at least. Pepsi is freaking out. If it comes here, we can play. Why AstraZeneca is though in the? Oh yeah, right. It's in. Well, it can be played on hourly. This guy, if it comes here tomorrow, um, even though it's so far below daily, I would buy investments so that even if it goes and retests this one, we're still good. I don't think it can go here. Maybe here because this is like it's a freak out. That's a panic. That's a panic. Everyone and their grandma sells just because people don't know what to do. Come on, show it to me on daily. Come on. Show it to me on daily. Is it? I think it is. Yeah, like this volume. It doesn't. On daily, it was less of a panic, more of a sellout. Yeah, March of 20. March. Yeah. On daily, it looks not so hysterical. No. 20. Thank you. Trading View by 2020. Yeah. From the very top, you see this volume, and then it died again. So this entire movement. I know. I don't know. Yeah, that would be a bummer if it goes. But I think it's like hangs on this volume too right now. So yeah, I can imagine it goes all the way here. But if it goes, it goes. It pays dividends. Okay, our Exxon Mobil with buy from here. Costco. We'll just observe. CVS. If it goes down here, but if there after this accumulation campaign it just goes down, keep an eye on it. Or Pfizer, Lockheed Martin, our sponsor of war, sweetheart. Uh, I wish I would not be able to say it, but I do think there's going to be more war in the days to come. This volume is beautiful, it's perfect. So if it just goes here to retest this area, yeah, I'd pick it up from here. And it's a balance now, ladies and gentlemen. I can play it on hourly. On hourly. Yes, it's an hourly play now. Uh, it's an hourly play. Morgan Stanley, not so much a sponsor of war, but you know, you know what I mean. Um, this volume, yeah, this. I don't know why is it in. Oh, okay, it's for monthly if it corrects to point 0.5, and it's again it's also in a balance, a short balance, like unidirectional really. By this time, it lost its directionality. So yeah, if it goes to point 0.5, rather like expands or like goes down and forms something here, yeah. Oops, 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 oops. This so if it comes to this area, yeah, it's a buy. And those are monthly watches. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go, guys, and I'm gonna go too. I feel like so slow because of the rain. Let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin just grinds higher. Like this guy, like can't stop, won't stop. He just like it just goes. It gives us a transitory extremum, but like, would you expect it to? Technically, we can play short of transitory extremum on daily as a day trade, but like, do you really think it looks short? There's all this volume below and this volume and nothing here. And like in an hour it will break with this volume. I mean, I'm back trading Bitcoin, so I'll be keeping an eye. But yeah, you guys. It wasn't allowing us to like trade it in continuation of the trend because it was, you see, this like tail was an accident. Now we know that. So it was really like this. No tail here, manipulation, there's no volume and goes up. Yeah. Mhm. It's already not confirmed. It's already not confirmed. Why am I seeing this? Yes. Yeah, unfortunately, this does not allow me to play it in continuation, even though, like, you can see how strong it is. But yeah, uh, see you, I think, tomorrow, maybe in the evening, if I'll have more time. Um, but yeah,